Hey everyone, this is an unboxing video of the Thursday Legend Falcon boot. So I just got these boots today. They just came in the mail and I'm really excited to open it up. I haven't seen these boots, I haven't tried them on, I haven't even looked at them. So this is an unboxing video and a first impressions video. All right, so get this open. Thursday Boot Company. Let's see. All right, so there you go. In a box. In a box. Right here, Thursday. And we just open these bad boys up. Okay, so let's see. Try to get this one. So you got a card. Looks like Thursday products are handcrafted in small batches, only using the highest quality materials. Natural colors and texture variation will occur. This is what makes the material we use and the products we design both distinct and beautiful. Quality guaranteed by Sammy. Thanks, Sammy. Appreciate it. Established 2014. So Thursday's a newer boot company. And I've been following them for a while, but I've never really looked into getting any of the boots until now. So, all right, you get black paper, each boot's bagged up. And here it is. This is the Legend Falcon, right? So it's a Chelsea, right? But you got the lugged sole here. Pretty decent lug sole. It looks like it's one-piece rubber all the way up until you get here to the midsole, right? So looks like it'll wear, the lugs will probably wear out before the rubber does. I got these in this like nice brown color. It's Goodyear welted, 360-degree Goodyear welted boot, so that means it could be recrafted. And that's exactly what I was looking for. I was looking for a boot that I could wear that looks nice, but I could also resole it when it gets worn down, and have the boot last more than just one lifetime, right? So get some paper, nothing really in there. Thursday Boot Company. And I think you can see here, designed in New York, handcrafted in Mexico. So these boots are 200 bucks, I think, 199 on their website. And you know, at that price point, you're not gonna get a US made boot like Red Wing or anything like that. This is they're trying to come in at a lower price point, but I guess they're trying to, you know, have achieve a lower cost, like manufacturing cost, by building their boots in Mexico while maintaining quality. So it does look like a decent boot. I got some Red Wings, and you know, they're probably like 280 to 320 new, so this is like $100 cheaper. So here's the second boot. All right, there's a little bit of a stain. I don't know what that's about. Yeah, but it's good. It's nice. It's, you know, I guess one whole piece of leather there, and then you've got another piece here, and then this on the counter there with a pull tab. So that's nice. Guess it seemed pretty strong. So yeah, like I said, you saw me pull these out of the box. I haven't tried these on yet. I don't know if they're that comfortable, but I really wanted a pair of boots that I could kind of dress up a little bit, but still walk around in the winter. And you know, my Iron Rangers and my classic mock toes have relatively flat soles. Iron Rangers have a flat cork sole with no traction at all, so not a good winter boot. And also didn't want to wear like a big old snow boot to the office or anything like that. So this is a little classier, a little nicer, but also gives you that protection from the elements. And they say it's waterproof or water resistant or something like that. So you know, you get a bunch of form and function, right? You get it's a nice looking boot, but it also will get the job done in the winter. So yeah, I guess I'm pleased with it. I haven't tried these on yet, so when I do, you know, I'll have a better opinion of them. But yeah, like I said, this is the Thursday Legend Falcon. This boot just came out. One of the things I noticed is that there aren't a lot of reviews or unboxings on this boot because it just came out, and so I was on the fence a little bit about whether I wanted to pick these up. You know, I saw some other boots, but I didn't really see like a slick, dressier Chelsea with a good lug sole. Some of them were a little more boxier, like more workwear kind of, and the others were a little too dressy, and they had like flat, thin soles or even leather soles or combination soles, so they didn't really seem like they would put up with the elements. And this boot kind of hits that sweet spot of having, you know, the lugged sole, but also kind of the refined upper. So so far I'm pleased, and you know, I'll try them on, and then yeah, see how it goes. All right, well, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please hit the like button and subscribe, and you know, leave a comment if you have any questions. If there's something that you want to know about the boot that I didn't cover or anything like that, yeah, just leave a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks a bunch.